but chances of me getting it in the right spot. Yeah.
And fucking lipsticks just love me, son. I just think it's a big airplane flying anyway. Fucking trees, eh?
Yeah.
That fooled you, that son of a bitch, you know? You figure you're by that goddamn tree and go right into it.
Yeah. Well, this is one of the ones that we wanted to cut down anyways. Well, it hasn't been used since the winter. It's used for getting wood in the fall and in the winter, John. It doesn't get used in the summer. Usually. Yeah. Oh no. One aileron.
No, your plane's okay.
No, the aileron's broken off.
Well, I mean, look at, considering yeah, considering where it was a minute ago, Carl.
Nicely done.
He's just got.
That's another tree you don't have to worry about.
Yeah, we won't hit that one again. I can put that light in there. You want to?
You put that screen door in there. Excellent.